Falcons. This is the InDesign abstract art poster project, and I'm looking at InDesign. This is the open window, and as you can see, once you save a file with InDesign, you'll see it in the recent file collection. If you're just starting this project, you're going to select New, Print. You want to be measuring in units of inches. You have two numbers that you can work with: 33 inches and 21.5 inches. You decide how you want them in the width and the height. Click Create. In order to place an image on the canvas, you must use the Place command, which is a function of File, because it's going to open up the Finder and allow you to select a PSD. You want a PSD. So I'm going to start with, actually I want to start with one of my Stellas. And here's color doors. Alright, when I place the image on the canvas, I get two objects. I get the image, which is controlled by the Direct Select tool. When the Direct Select tool grabs the actual image, you will see a brown highlight. This means you can move the image within the frame. That doesn't necessarily mean it always fits the frame. Your job is to control the image and select exactly what it is that you want people to see. So you can choose to show the entire image. You can choose to show a part of the image. So I'm going to do the red, yellow, and pink side here. Using the selection tool, I can grab the entire object, the frame, and the image. When I do, I'm going to see a blue highlight. I can rotate the entire object. And I can pick it up and move it. Because it is an independent object, I can copy it and paste it and have more than one. Using the same tool, the Direct Selection tool, I can actually flip it over. Literally flip it over. I'm just rolling it from one side to the other with the mouse. This copy has both pieces. It has the frame as well as the image itself. So I'm going to show another set of doors on this side. I got the green one here. And I am effectively giving the viewer the illusion that these are two different pieces of art, even though it's the same one, and I'm just showing parts of it. Okay. Using your original artwork and the command place control, I want you to lay out all of the original work that you have done. This does not include copies. This only includes those original pieces that you have made, either in class or independently. Okay, so where is my other one? Oh, there's the flower. Okay, open, place. I want this one to be bigger, so I'm going to enlarge the frame, and now I'm going to get the Direct Select tool and enlarge the image. Let's get the blue highlight up so that we can move them both. Oh, didn't want to do that. Okay, click out, click in. Now I have the blue one. I can stack these on top of each other. So I could leave it there. And because it is an object, I have an object menu. I can use the transform controls. So here I have scale and rotate, all those sort of things. And I also have arrange. So I could push it to the back and the doors will be on top. Object, arrange, bring to front. Now the flower's on top. Also here I have an effects menu. And the effects menu holds some great stuff like the drop shadow. So I'm going to add a drop shadow. I'm going to move the angle just a little bit, and I'm going to increase the distance, and I think that is just way too dark. So we're going to go from a 75% to more of a 44. Now, with the shadow, the size, the turn, the whole thing, I'm now going to make a copy and paste it, and that one is going to go over here with this door. And I'm beginning to create a pattern. I want to use my Mondrians, my Stellas, and my Rileys to create a pattern. So this is one that I started yesterday. My Riley is up here. I'm not using the whole image. You can see that the whole image is substantially larger. I'm using the top part of the circle to create kind of like a heart shape. I have my Mondrians going down here. I created this stop sign shaped Mondrian using the polygon frame tool. Now the polygon frame tool will make any kind of polygon you want. Its default is the stop sign shaped thing. But if you double click the polygon tool, it'll open up this window and it'll allow you to pick the number of sides. So if you wanted a triangle, you could click OK. You could create a triangle frame. This is a custom frame, and physically place the image. File, place. Let's go with that one. And I'm going to grab the image inside. I want to make it substantially larger. Well, actually, what if I squeeze it like that? I kind of like it. Okay, cool. And I'm going to grab the black arrow and pick up the frame and the image and move it